Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I am sure you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Students, today I am going to start our new lesson, unit number 26, and the name of this lesson is In the Sky. Dear students, there's a big covering over our head. It is like a big umbrella. This covering is of blue color. Can you name it? Yes, you are right. It is called sky. It is full of birds chirping around during the daytime. There is a big yellow sun in it which gives us light and heat. Daytime is the time when we go to our work places, children go to school and elders go to offices or any other workplaces. Daytime is a time of blessing when we can earn for our living. Night is the darker part of time. At this time, sky is covered with stars and moon. There is darkness all around. We can use electricity at night, but we sleep at night when we are tired. And birds and animals too sleep at night. So dear students, let's start reading with me. Unit number 26, In the Sky. Open your book. Look at the picture. What do you see? The sun is shining. The sun is shining. It is daytime. There are few clouds in the sky. There are few clouds in the sky. Birds fly in the sky in the daytime. People work during the day. Boys and girls go to school in daytime. We get light from the sun during the day. We get light from the sun during the day. Never look directly at the sun. It will hurt your eyes. Look at the picture. Can you tell the color of the sky? The moon and the stars are shining in the sky. It is dark at night. When it is night, we rest and sleep. Many birds and animals also sleep at night. Okay, students, let's start answer these questions. And this is your oral work. Name the things you see in the sky during the day. Birds fly in the sky in the daytime. From where do we get light during the daytime? Yes, you know. Very good. We get light from the sun during the daytime. What shines brightly in the sky at night? The moon and the stars shine in the sky. What do you do during the day? People work during the day. So you revise this lesson twice at least and also memorize, answer these questions. Take care. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.